2018 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 43,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as navigation, backup camera, lane departure warning, 4-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential. This is a top-rated dealer. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.